Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at Long McArthur Ford in Salina, Kansas, your source for Ford news, update, and information with a video on one of the packages we've been doing for a couple years here. This is the 2023 version of the Sidewinder package. So this package started in 2021 based off of some takeoff wheels that we had off of some Raptors, and we kind of created a package around it, and now we're not doing takeoffs on Raptors, so we can actually order the OEM Raptor wheel in 3 different styles for this package for 2023. So we're going to talk about what kind of factory build we put the basis off of, and then also what's included in the package. And what we like to do here at Long McArthur is create you some different packages that are in stock, ready to go right now, that you can buy off the lot in whatever color you'd like. And right now, I hope you like Area 51 because we have 3 of those in stock, but we can get these. We've had these in some other colors that have already sold out, but I do like this color. Have a Bronco in this color. Anyway, so we're going to cover this package. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single video, and let's go ahead and get started and dig right into this. So we like to base this build, like we do most of our builds, on one of the more less expensive trim levels to keep that cost down for you so you can get a cool off-road truck without breaking the bank. And we, of course, base these off of the XLT trim. One of the most popular trims, easiest one to get scheduled and get built from Ford. Usually have the best rebates, the most rebates I should say, of any of the other trim levels, and so of course we base it off the XLT trim, just like we did with these. Now, one of the things that we make sure we order on these is the 302A pack equipment group for the 2023 F-150. The 302A gives you a lot of cool features. You get the intelligent access, allow you to unlock and lock the vehicle without getting the keys out of your pocket, keypad entry as well. Does upgrade, get you the LED lights on the front, the signature lighting as well, all those other things. And that package also comes with an appearance package. Typically the chrome, or like we did, the sport appearance package with these, because we want a nice sport, aggressive off-road look. So we go with the sport appearance package, giving you those body colored bumpers on the front, and of course on the back too. A great look to the vehicle, gives you the running boards on the side like we do see with this particular one here. 302A, I believe, also gives you the LED spotlights and some of those other features. Very well equipped. Of course, you know, privacy glass in the back, rear defrost as well, and you're going to make sure you have a Class 4 receiver hitch if you want to go ahead and tow something, all that. Plus, the sport appearance package gives you the bucket seats with the console in the middle. So only way in the XLT to get that is with either the sport appearance package or your black appearance package. So you're going to get the bucket seats with the console, dual heated seats as well. So if you want to upgrade to the leather, you can do that, and that's a pretty nice experience. Dual power seat as well. All those great features. Leather wrap steering wheel is probably one of my favorite features as well. All wrapped into this, and yep, even has the bliss with the cross traffic alert. Now for your engine, we can base this off of whatever engine you'd like on these if we order it. Now, we can't order 2023 anymore. These here happen to be the 2.7 liter V6 EcoBoost engine that we have in these 3 vehicles. And you know, that engine is really, a lot of people don't look at that engine, but you have a lot of power behind that. So that has pretty much about the same horsepower and torque as the 5.0 liter V8 engine. So a little less towing if you're looking to tow. 5.0 is probably the way you want to go with that. And if you want to add some sort of supercharger upgrades like that, you'd want to go with the 5.0. But of course we can find some of those. There's a lot of 2023s out there at dealer lots that we can bring in for you if you want to put this package on one of those. But that's what we're basing these off of for this. And of course, don't forget too, make sure you have electric locking gear ratios as well. This one has a 373 on all these configurations. So that's kind of what we base it off from the factory on these builds. And then let's talk about this package and what's included in part of it. Now, as we said, this package started as one inspired by having some takeoff Raptor wheels back in 2021. But before we get to that, we gotta level this out so we have space for maybe some bigger tires as well. So we do have a 2-inch front suspension lift on this. So again, brings that front up, gives us a little more clearance in the front of the vehicle. Not only does it give it a great level stance here, but also gives us some clearance for some nice tires. So we have these 35-inch BF Goodrich KO2 tires. We like those here. I run them on a lot of my vehicles, have it on my Bronco right now. I've had it on F-150. What's great about them is that it's not really loud on the road, highway speeds, that kind of thing, but it still has a nice aggressive tread if you want to take this off-road, and has some capabilities if you need to air down, that kind of thing. You're going to be able to have great traction with this as well. Of course, the wheels that we have on this, These are actually the optional beadlock capable wheels, the 17-inch that's available through Ford. Oh, this is an OEM wheel. If you like instead to go with the, you want the standard Raptor wheel that's available, we can go that route. Or if you want the other beadlock wheel that's available, we can go that route as well. The three that we have in stock happen to be the optional beadlock capable wheel. Great look to it, I think, too. Kind of brings in that sport look to the wheel and tire setup here. We do put front window tint on this, as well as we do spray and bed liner. So we are a Toff dealer. It's a lifetime warranty on the spray and liner through us. Any problems with it, you just contact us. We cut your check back to get it redone. Even if you're a long ways away from us, we take care of you. In fact, everything on this has a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty from everything that we add to the vehicle to match your factory warranty. And speaking of that, after doing the lift, wheels, and tires, got to do a speedometer recalibration so it's right, as well as a 4-wheel alignment that comes along with it. So pretty cool little package, not a lot to it, but really changes and adds a look to this truck. And gives you a nice off-road look and capabilities, again, without breaking the bank. And XLTs have a lot of rebates. This is, right now, I know, heavily discounted. You can get a good deal on it. So check out our website, longmcarthur.com. Click on that Long McArthur Performance logo. Go down to those F-150 builds. We got a lot of builds in there that we do here at Long McArthur Performance. We like to package things together to make it easy on our customers so they don't have to say, well, here's what I want here, all the cart things. We kind of got these packages together and go, I like that. Let's just go ahead and go with one of those. And half the time we have those in stock. So click on that Sidewinder and then you get a little more information there, as well as hopefully this video's on there and our inventory of the vehicles that we have in stock right now with this package on there. So hope you guys like this. Make sure you subscribe, notification bell turned on, smash the like button. Also, don't forget, check out our live stream every Tuesday night, 7 p.m. Central. We do a live stream where we cover scheduling information, recalls, dealer news updates. We keep you updated here at Long McArthur. Even if you don't have an order with us, you buy with us, we don't care. We like to help Ford customers get all the information, and we take your questions live. So I don't think anybody else in the country is doing that. We do it right here at Long McArthur every Tuesday night, 7 p.m. Central on our YouTube channel. So make sure you come back, check that out. We also have a little fun, and we have some, an episode. We talk about something in every episode. So come check it out Tuesday night, 7 p.m. And until the next video, stay positive, be kind to one another, be kind to yourself, and we'll see you in the next video.